How are you guys feeling about everything?
It's an exciting time right now.
So based on today's ideas and plans, are you guys buying in? Good morning, Carissa.
Hey Scott, how's it going?
So far, so good. I'm meeting up with Eduardo and Ashley. We're gonna look at some renovation options. I was hoping we could circle back with you and look at some ways to finance those renovations.
That sounds awesome, absolutely.
Okay, great. We'll circle back this afternoon.
Hi, I'm Eduardo.
And I'm Ashley.
And these are our kids. We've been wanting to do a renovation here, but then we had these two little kids, and we haven't really been able to get anything done here. And we need help.
Some help, please.
Oh, hey, Scott.
Good morning.
Welcome.
Thanks,
Hey,
man.
Come on in, man. This is the house.
This is the place,
Yeah.
huh? Good morning.
Good morning, Scott. How are you?
I'm doing terrific. I understand you guys are looking to do some work around here.
Yes, we are.
What's on your mind?
To make a home that's functional for my family and I, and
Okay.
to make it as open concept as possible,
Yes.
so that my family and I can feel like we're together and not in
Absolutely.
separate rooms of the house.
And so what's changed since you bought the place 8 years ago?
The kids. I think now that they're a little older, I think it's time we
Get some work done in here.
trying to get.
It's got an interesting looking lot. Is it green space back there? Bit of an
My-
escape back here.
My little oasis.
Your little oasis.
Yeah.
You guys liking it back here? Do you think the house needs a bit of a renovation? Yeah, which parts? The attic. Who's gonna pay for everything? Me? I feel like your dad set you up to say that. Well, let's head back inside.
Okay.
So we came through this formal dining room on the way in.
Yeah.
Right.
How often would you say you use this?
Barely ever.
I look at this, what's the most affordable way to do this is to open up this wall. You don't have to do anything to the kitchen. You get your open concept. The bigger option is opening everything that way, which means ripping out the whole kitchen, ripping out the laundry room.
Yeah, like a whole new main level is kind of my plan.
Is it?
Yeah,
The whole main floor.
whole main floor.
Okay. In terms of renovations, this is the best plan for the house. Move the bathroom from its current location on the main floor beside the front door. That's gonna take up half of the current dining room. The rest of it I would open up to the kitchen to do an eat-in kitchen. Then where the bathroom used to be, I'd take down all of those walls to connect the kitchen and the living space for a nice open concept. All right, well, let's take a look upstairs and see if we can add some additional space
go.
there.
Let's do it.
So getting to the attic is a bit of a challenge.
It has been, yeah.
Staircase over staircase would make the most sense. So instead of a railing on that side, next set of stairs would go up if the attic can work.
Yes.
Oh! So this is above your bed.
Yeah.
This is an attic, all right. What I'm looking at here is an opportunity. To get to the attic, I'd add a staircase above the current staircase, and in the attic, I'd finish the whole thing off, add a dormer, which would give you another bedroom, an office, and a kid's playroom. In terms of getting these projects done, there's a lot to happen. I would download the app BidMe. That's a good way for you to post a project, compare bids, and find a pro that can come and do the work.
Wow.
Now we got to figure out the most economical way to make this happen.
Right.
I've asked Carissa from CIBC to come by and have a chat with you guys. We'll figure out the best way to make this happen.
It's so great to meet you. Thanks so much for having me here.
I thought it would be great for you guys to have a conversation with Carissa, talking a little bit about some of your options when it comes to financing all the work you want to do on the house.
Yeah, no, that sounds great. We've actually been wondering how we're gonna finance this big project.
Big projects we have, yeah.
So thinking about financing a renovation, it's a big decision. One way to go is through a mortgage refinance. So you can typically get about 80% of your property value in lending. A couple things with mortgage refinancing to think about is it's great because it's all in one payment, principal and interest. The second option is a home equity line of credit. And a home equity line of credit really is, it's there when you need it. So if you need to draw on $50,000, for example, you draw on it, a couple months later, you need another 25, so you're paying as you use it. So two options that you have, and there's also an opportunity to kind of tie it all in together. CIBC has something called the Home Power Plan, which is, essentially a mortgage and a line of credit tied together. The more you pay down your mortgage, the more you get in equity in the line of credit.
You guys have been so frugal, you've made such smart decisions, but you've also waited 8 years to get the things you want. That's what we do as parents. Sacrifice all the things we want.
Kids first, right?
So if you guys want to continue the conversation with Carissa, you guys can connect directly and figure out what works best for you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
So based on today's ideas and plans, are you guys buying in?
Oh, we're so
Absolutely.
excited. Yeah, we're definitely buying
Totally
in.
buying in.
And in order to help kickstart things, CIBC would like to give you guys $1,000.
Stop it.
Absolutely.
Wow, that's awesome.
What?
As a contribution to seeing your dreams come to
Oh,
reality.
thank you so much.
Thank you so
man.
much.
That means a
Cool.
lot.
You're very welcome, guys. And when it's done, invite me over. We'll
Absolutely.
bonfire and check everything out.
Let's
Barbecue
do
at
it.
our place.
All right, man.